Hello, I'm Doran Ellen Bel-Dotan, and this is Tzfat in Israel. If you're one of the people that are tracking the weather and geological conditions, meteorological conditions all over the world, you may be interested in observing what's happening in Tzfat, because this is the only place in the world where there are perfect geological conditions and perfect weather. And it's about time that you began to notice that this does exist. We had no global warming. It was warm. I mean, it was hot, as an Israeli summer is, but nothing out of the ordinary. In fact, nothing is ever out of the ordinary here, except it's extraordinarily perfect. And you may want to begin to notice. It was necessary to bring about a small earthquake in Tzfat. Unfortunately, that mountain over there was the site of some idolatrous ceremonies that were going on, and Hashem directed me to politely, how shall I put it, adjure the municipality to cease and desist those activities, but because they have economic interests in it, they were unwilling to cooperate to that purpose. So it was necessary to have a small earthquake under the municipal building to shake them up and make them understand that although this was phrased as a request, it wasn't a request. Other than that, the weather here is perfect. The geological conditions are perfect continuously, consistently, predictably. And if you'll be watching Tzfat, you'll see that what I'm saying is true. This just doesn't happen. All geological and weather conditions are actually brought about by the ambient morality of the people living there. And if it always looks like this here, which it always does, for years I've been photojournaling it so that people can see what I'm saying is true. And if you'll watch with your gizmos and gadgets, you'll see even more that it's true. Perhaps it's time that you admitted that I know something that you don't. I know something that the rabbis don't. And we're not talking about natural conditions anymore, because when there's one place on the whole planet where everything is okay, that is not a natural phenomenon. So if you become interested in learning correct Torah, don't come to me. Turn to Hashem with an honest request. I don't take students. My job is done when people realize that whatever they think their religious tradition is not correct, when a typhoon overcomes them. And by the way, Britain, heads up, bad weather's on the way.